we're gonna find the perimeter of a triangle with this vertices. So let me call this A, B, and C. So we have 3 points. Okay, so let's say, okay, I'm just gonna, you can just make a random one. It doesn't really matter. You don't have to really plot it correctly. So A is 4, -2, and let's say B is 5, -2, and C is here. Now I have to find the distance because the perimeter is just going to be, perimeter is going to be the distance AB plus the distance AC plus the distance BC. So if you just find these 3 distances, then you will just add them and you have it. So now let's find this distance here, distance AB. You will use the distance formula here. So by distance formula, x1 minus x2. So then you will have 9 square and then y2 minus, that's 0. So then you'll just get square root of 81, which is 9. So this is 9. Okay, now I'm gonna find distance AC. So I'm gonna find this guy right here, which again, I can just do square root of x1 minus x2. That's also a -9 square. And then -2 square, which will be, so this is square root of 81 plus 4. So that's a root 85. Okay, so this one is root 85. This one is root 85. Okay. And then, oh, sorry, I copied this one incorrect. So let me just correct one thing. Okay. I'm just going to correct one thing here. Let's see. Okay, so I'm just going to correct one tiny thing here. I think it was the problem for the component. So the A is, I just want to check the vertices one more time. 4, -2. B was -5, +2. So that was the mistake. Yeah. Okay. And then the C is correct. Okay. Now let's look at this again. So the distance AB, this guy, is the square root of, again, that's 9 square. And then that will be 4. So it's 4 square, which is 81 plus 16. And this will be 97. So this guy is square root of 97. And then now let's compute distance AC. So that should be fine. This right here is, again, 9. That's square root of 81. And then the other one is 2. So that's 4. This is 85. So plus square root of 85. And then the distance BC, which is this distance here. So -5, that's going to be 0. So square root of 0 squared plus, and the other one is going to be -6. So -6 squared, which this will give you 6 because square root of 36 is 6. So we have plus 6. So how will you write this? Well, this is, I mean, of course, it's not going to be a whole number. I mean, you're going to either have to put it like this, okay, or you're gonna approximate it. So maybe you should just put it like this to see what happens. If it doesn't accept it, then approximate square root of 97 and square root of 85, and then just add them.